To fetch a value from the specific location of an array, you use the same array notation syntax, this one, but without this part. So what's the difference? This part will assign a value to a specific array element, depending on the index position used within these brackets, right? On the other hand, if you don't use this part, now it will retrieve the value from a specific array element, again depending on the index position used within these brackets. Hope it's clear now. Let's look at few examples. This writeLine method is to print the value of int array in the console window. Click Run. See the output here. Let's try another value.